What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel Project Product, and today we are installing Leviton USB outlets and regular outlets, and I've got two methods I'm going to show you, so stick through it. Dramatic throw. All right, so some of these outlets around the house, these older ones, have two hot wires, two neutral wires kind of clamped into these outlets. I don't know if there's a different way to take them off, but I've just been cutting them. New outlet, we've got a side. It'll actually tell you on the back, these gold screws that indicate on the back that that's your hot side, and that your white neutral wire is on the other side. So we're going to curl each hot wire around its own screw and each white wire around its own screw, and then we have a spot for our ground. Make sure they're all nice and snug. Ow. Don't hurt yourself. You're gonna line your screws up. And if you have a wall or if you have a box that's a little more indented and you need the outlet to come out more, they actually have spacers you can go pick up. Little rubber spacers that you can put behind these screws to help push it out. But in this case, I think we're in good shape. Okay, and we also have the game changer method here. So you're looking at the outlet. Instead of doing the loop method, they also have a quick wire terminal where it'll show you exactly where to put your hot wires and your white wires. But if you have a 14 gauge copper wire, you can just slide it right in just like this. See here, I'll do the next one. Push it in, and then I would recommend taking a piece of electrical tape and just kind of wrapping it around the conductor. All right, here's what we got. Here's the outlet. This one's a little different. It's got the screws only on one side, but you will see it also indicates right on the bottom which side is hot and which side is for your neutral wire. These ones are a little different. You just have to slide them right under that. You hear that gold plate? You just got to slide them right under that. There's 2 pins for each slot, and then clamp them down, pop it in just like the other outlet. And my camera battery is about to die. That's fantastic. Verify it's your hot. All right, here we go. Slide that in like that. Slide that in like that. Just get it in there, okay? Suck at it. I don't understand it. There we go. All right, how that is, you see it? It's nice and neat, kinda. There, then they can kinda. You can't, it's fine. You gotta. I hope you got value out of it. A couple different types of outlets, different types of methods. So if you did get value, please hit the like button for me. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos coming up, more projects, product reviews, trial together type of stuff. So thank you, I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya. That looks good.